Ever wondered how data can transform your real estate strategy? By understanding consumer interest, you can tailor your approach to meet client needs. Let's explore how tracking visitor activity on BoldTrail can boost your success. Accessing the Consumer Interest Report is your first step. This report reveals key metrics about visitor behavior, helping you make informed decisions. Imagine knowing exactly what attracts potential clients to your listings. Real-world examples show how data-driven decisions lead to success. By interpreting these metrics, you can adjust your strategies effectively. See how top agents use this data to close more deals and enhance client satisfaction. Ready to take action? Adjust your marketing strategies based on insights from the report. Enhance user engagement and watch your closing rates soar. Start using BoldTrail's data today to transform your real estate business. Explore the step-by-step guide by scrolling down below.